Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, I really appreciate for subscribing my channel or also for watching my video. So in today's video, it is a double unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I'm glad I found CA that I can actually message her and update me what's new, you know what I'm looking for this item. And then I asked her if this Christmas packaging this year, and let me know because I want to get something in there that it comes with the shopping bag. To be honest with you guys, I thought she will give me the even the bags as well, but unfortunately it's not. So just only the shopping bag, which is I don't mind really, because last year I only received the bags, doesn't have with the shopping bag. So she said they don't have received the bags yet, so mostly they received the shopping bag. Well, I guess it's only for like a limited, because they said they run out a lot of boxes and shopping bag. I was surprised that people are really buying a lot. So anyway, look at this year packaging. I mean the shopping bag of Louis Vuitton. It's very cute. I think I like this year. It's so cute. It's so Christmassy. Look at that. So this is the small one, and I'm glad she gave me the small. I bought 2 items, and there's is the big one. It's same print and everything, but this is the bigger one. And so yeah, I just purchased 2 weeks ago with something, and then didn't have the shopping bag yet. And I said to myself, you know what, since I'm looking this particular one, and then I said let's go have this baby purchase. So anyway, she gave me a sample. Actually, she gave me 3. The rest is over here. So she gave me one of the perfume. So let's open this small leather goods over here. I mean, she also invited me for the event, but I said no because I'm kind of busy, and you know, for during this time it's always busy. So I said I don't have time, especially I'm working that day as well. So too bad. I was wanting to go, but it's not in my you know, days frame because I'm working on that day. Anyhow, this is the item. Actually, she said this is the only one left in store, and she put like this one. Actually, normally they don't put like this. So this is a bandeau. Look at this one, guys. It sold me out the color. Look at this. So it's red and orange, and look at this print. Oh my god, I do love the print of this. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. See, it's beautiful, and it's perfect really color combination. And when she the way to put on this twirly on my bag, I mean it's perfect. She's do half, and then the other side it's this one. It's so beautifully. And then yeah, and asked if they have a new one because this is the last one. She said no, this is the last one. I said I'll take it because I love it so much, even though I got so many bando and I used it, but it smells good. She must be spray something. Smells really good. Anyhow, so most of my twirly or bando you wrap up with like use a handheld bag for some reason because it's so cute. It looks stylish and everything like that. So I'm glad I got this. It's been a while I didn't buy any twirly from Hermes or Louis Vuitton, so it's about time to get a new one, even though I have few. So move on to this. Oh, look at that. So I just noticed they have this one as well inside of the shopping bag, and it just like flower, the trunk and wings. And so yeah, it's really beautiful. Look at that close up, guys. So cute. So yeah, and this one particular one is, I saw this one, you know, they just come out this one this year, and I love it, but I was debating, should I get it, should I not, because I was going to Europe back then, and I said I want to get this one, But unfortunately, I asked Prague. I didn't ask in Vienna because we're there for like uh, 2 nights. And then for that night, we just go to the Budapest, and then we don't see anything I like. And also, I didn't went to Louis Vuitton as well. In Milan, I did not check. I wish I did. In UK, the last stop I going into is didn't have this one. So anyway, I was planning to get this one because it's cheaper there, and also that don't have a sales tax. But I wanting this, so there you go. I have another bag of this one over here. That I also want to mention that why this one I wanting it this. I'm gonna show you first, guys, why this one over here. Set aside. Okay. So as you can see, the item that I got, actually this is my Christmas gift for myself, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is my Christmas gift. I was getting the jewelry, but I said to myself, nah, I just get this one because I wanting this, and then it probably next year is gonna be increased the price of this one, I guess. So I decided to just get this one. Anyway, I got the Pochette Camille bag, I think. So yeah, that's the name. And she said they have only 2 left, but the other one is hold to someone. So this is the only one. It's kind of, look. So actually this is the one I like. This one I want the clap closure on this one. It reminds me of a Pochette Métis. That's why I wanting this. Oh no, see, this is also one thing that I don't like this one because you have to push really hard, but this bag is empty anyway. So I'm gonna put something that it's easy to close. And this one has to have plastic. I'd probably leave the plastic for this one. And look, she leave this one over here for me, which is really nice. And also this. So this is a Pochette Camille monogram. So that's the one over here. And she also plenty of this. I don't know why. So the inside is the brown fabric inside. And this one is made in Paris. And I'm not sure made in Paris and made in France are the same. So also the one it sold me out is the chain, guys. I seen someone they use this baby over here as a necklace. Look at that. They have like a LV over here, which is really good. I'm not sure if you can remove this. Yes, look, you can remove it. Wow, look at that. You can remove it. And also one thing that it sold me out is you can use this baby as a shoulder bag. So I don't know how I can do shoulder bag for this, but I'll figure out. And so I probably remove this one and then remove the other one. And this one actually you can use this one as a necklace. And I'm just use the longer one to this as a shoulder bag. Yeah, I so see that it can use as a shoulder bag, guys. So it's really, really perfect. So that's why one thing I like about this one, it's worth it, to be honest with you. And I'm gonna put this thing over here so I can see if I put something, it's easy for me to close this closure over here. Let's see. Yeah, it's easy to close when it has something. So that's also sold me out is this one. This closure over here. And also this strap that you can adjustable, you can removable. You can wear this one as a clutch as well, which is sold me out. And I checked every corner over here while I was in store because I don't want to ending up going and exchange or return the item because I don't like returning something. You know what I mean? I returned 2 already, that key pouch small that it has. I don't like the way it looks. And when I purchased one in Europe, it looks perfectly clean and it doesn't have a defect on it. So I keep that actually. And this is a monogram. I wish they're making for Damir Ibn. I prefer the Damir Ibn because Louis Vuitton everywhere is gonna show up, and I don't like that. I prefer, like, you know, like a simple, like my Alma Bibi and Damir Ibn. It's, man, I love that. One thing I didn't get also, I was planning to get another Alma Bibi, but once I buy something, I will not use my other one. So I decided, you know what, I stick that one because maybe one day I will get the empreinte leather. So the good thing as well of this one is perfectly fine. They don't have a damage or a defect at all. And also that the interior is brown. Look at that, baby. It's so pretty color. And this is the inside. It's small. But like I said, I like small bag because the small bag works fine for me. And also, yeah, I'm gonna make a video for this, like what fits. I have so many videos that I'm gonna make that what fits of this bag. I started uploading my Europe trip haul. Well, I do from every state, every Europe that I visited. So at least you can see all of that. It's not gonna be a long video. And so yeah, and love it. I love the interior of this so much. And I'm glad that I really decided to get this one. Okay, hopefully I will not get another bag this year. There's a plenty of bag that I purchased. So yeah, it's really worth it for me. It looks bent in this because that's a strap over there. And yeah, hopefully it will. I love that stitching. Everything's perfect. So, and also I'm gonna try this one, that how I can use this baby as a necklace. Oh, I know how to do that. So I do that. So let's do this, guys. Let's see if it's in. See that? See that, guys? I use that one as a necklace. So I didn't want to remove the plastic yet. So look at that. It's so pretty. It's so statement. See, guys, that's why I decided to get this bag, because this one, you can use this one as a necklace. And it's really, really cute. And I wear this from day to night of this bag because the way it looks. It's also the adjustable strap, removable strap, and you can use a shoulder bag, crossbody bag with this thing, and a perfect length for me. Actually, I did try the in store. I will attach a pictures that I did manage to take a pictures as how length and of on me. So I had small, and so yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm really excited about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.